to another vlog. How's your sleep, Nicole? Good. Good? Are you not scared? No. Na-enjoy namin yung tulog. Yung bed, yung accommodation, na-enjoy namin siya. Even though, may kulang sila. Alam nyo naman yan. Kape is life. Wala silang kape sa room. Tea ang meron. English breakfast tea, chamomile tea, green tea, black tea. Pero yung coffee, wala. Sabi namin, Papa Dave, we need coffee. Wala silang kahit na sachet na coffee sa room. So kung mag-stay kayo dito, you need to make sure na tanungin sa kanila kung meron ba silang sachet na coffee or coffee man lang sa room. Kung mahilig kayo magkape. Kasi kami, mahilig kami sa coffee. Anyway, tayo ay magbe-breakfast bago tayo bumiyahe ng Chiang Rai. Mag-Chiang Rai tayo. Marami tayong pwedeng pasyalan sa Chiang Rai, mga kalalabs. Temple, night market, because today is Saturday. Excited na ba kayo sa night market? Ako, oo. Kasi wala kaming nakitang masyadong magandang night market sa Chiang Mai. So, let's see sa Chiang Rai. Okay. Dito na tayo sa restaurant. There's ube. There's ube. Lab. Ube is here. Ayan siya, oh. Ube. It's so cute. Kape tayo, mga kalalabs. Si Nicole, nilalaro niya yung pusa. Nung inatak siya ng pusa, natakot siya. Pasaway. Wait lang namin yung breakfast namin. And then, they serve us mixed fruits. Meron siyang watermelon, orange, and dragon fruit, and melon. Nandito na yung breakfast namin, mga kalabs. So, meron tayong kausoy, meron tayong pa chicken dito, and ito yung mga side dish niya. Same kami ni Nicole, yung kay Papa, hindi ko alam kung ano yung in-order niya. Ayan, kain po.
How come you get side? So is this like...
Love, I think I love your breakfast. So look at that. It's congee with a lot of like side dish. Let's see, how is it?
I don't know. I don't understand what to do with it.
Just eat it. Try one by one. I think this one, you should put the congee here, the dried fish. Can I try dried fish? Tilis.
Consistently inconsistent.
No, babe. You're not allowed. You're not allowed, love. You're not allowed. Masarap na maanghang. Oh my God, this is spicy. Tapos na kami nag-breakfast, mga kalalabs. Walking lang tayo dito sa sa may main road nila. Maliit yung kalsada dito, oh. Gusto ko maglakad-lakad. Gusto kong makita yung area. Kaso nga lang, si Papa Dib parang hindi siya okay sa walking ngayon. I just wanna check out. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, meron pa silang ibang resort dito, yung mga villa. I-check nyo lang, meron yung yung parang may elephant. Dito sa pinag-istihan naming villa, wala. Meron silang iba na merong elephant. Yung sana yung gusto ko. Kaso nga lang, ito yung napili ni Papa Dib. Yung lala na, they're closed? They're closed, la?
They open at 9. It's almost 9.
Ah, it's almost 9? Can we walk around here or no? You wanna, yeah? It's just a quick walk, right? I wish we just explored yesterday here in this area. Para we know. Yung isa dito, meron siyang dyan, resort. Ano siya naman, may elephant yata. I don't know. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. May coffee shop daw dito, pero hindi namin alam kung... Kasi mag-open daw ng 9. It's almost 9. Nililinis nila yung area, B. No? Naalala ko yung isang vlogger sa Pilipinas na may resort din siya. Anong pangalan nun? Tapos, ang ganda ng tubig. Anong pangalan nun? Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. Ilagay ko na lang dito sa screen kung pinapanood niyo siya. Okay, there's a coffee shop here. Oh my God, look at this, mga kalalab. Oh.
Found it.
We found a coffee shop. Wow, look at that. It's a house. Choop. Yan siya. And then there's a coffee shop down there. Ito yung coffee shop, oh. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano. Tree house ba to? Bahay ng someone. Cha. It's closed, right? Oh, it's closed.
That's okay, because I would like to get back to work. We'll pack, and then he's here by 10.
Okay.
And we'll go for like.
Hello. Sawadee ka. Like, wala. Nag-check lang. But anyway, okay, let's go then.
Let's see.
I don't know. Maybe. Hi.
Are you open?
Huh?
Good.
Oh my God. I don't know. I can't explain. I don't understand.
Open. Oh, yeah, it's coming.
Maybe not.
Oh, where's it going? Oh no.
Oh, okay. Maybe not. It's fine. We can. Let's go. It's fine. Don't worry.
Hello.
It's fine. Kala nila, bibili sana kami ng kape. Close pa naman sila eh. Look at this view. Ganda niya mga kalas ng puno. We're going back to our room. Finalize yung aming yung aming packing. Okay, let's
This
go.
one
See you,
is,
Chiang
3
Rai. 3 hours, right?
3 hours.
Alam nyo, ano sila
You
dito?
are
Lagi sila nagbibigay
our
ng
new best
snack sa
friends.
biyahe. Ay, nabigyan kami ng popcorn. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong klaseng popcorn. Dalawa siya. Oh, that's a lot, Nicole. Popcorn ba to?
Yeah.
What's popcorn? May pa-snack tayo. Okay. Let's enjoy the ride. Coffee break muna tayo mga kalalabs. Need namin ng coffee. Meron silang mga pa-souvenir din dito. Oh. Pwede kang bumili ng souvenir. Oh, I like that one. Ganda ng decoration nila ha. Oh. We got our coffee. And then, yung pinabaon sa aming popcorn. Ang sarap. Binigay namin yung isa kay kuya kasi I feel like sobrang dami nito. Hindi namin siya makakain lahat. Ayan, may cheese. Ang sarap. How many more hours, love?
2 hours.
2 hours? Okay. Kain. Oh, we can't see it properly. Wow! Nandito na kami sa Chiang Rai, mga kalalabs. Pero hindi pa kami makaka-check-in sa room namin. Pero nakapag-check-in na kami. I mean, hindi pa kami makakapasok sa room kasi hindi pa siya ready. And tingnan niyo yung pa-view natin dito sa ating hotel. Wow! Pwede tayo maglakad-lakad doon mamaya, oh. Laki ng lobby nila. Hindi kami makaupo dyan. Ay, meron na palang available na upuan dyan, di, oh. You wanna sit on the sofa or no? There's, maybe not. Yeah, let's stay here. Wait lang namin yung room namin. Si Papa, di ba, doon, naka-stand siya dyan. Sa may, lobby. Meron din silang, dito pala. Pa-library. Nek, come here, the library. Here. That's nice. It's cooler here. Kulang kami saglit. It's cooler here. Nandiyan si Papa Lit, tinawag ko siya. Labas na tayo mga kalalabs. Nakapagpahinga kami ng bongga. Nag-edit lang ako ng vlog para may upload ko na yung mga vlog ko ng sunod-sunod. Na-edit ko yung Chiang Mai Day 1 and then yung Chiang Mai Day 2 mamaya ulit. Para ma-upload ko na siya at matapos na siyang, alam niyo yun, matapos niyo na siyang mapanood. Is Nicole ready?
Yeah,
Can
she's
you
ready.
ask? Okay.
She's ready. She told me.
Yeah.
So,
Bibili ako ng mga kalalabs, ng... Dadaan kami ng 7-Eleven. Kasi I think nasobrahan ako sa sa pangalan nun, yung maanghang na pagkain. Kaya pakiramdam ko yung tiyan ko parang bloated ngayon. Hindi siya yung acid, I think bloated ako. Meron akong nakain na pagkain siguro kagabi sa lalanan na hindi umaayon sa tiyan ko. Sobrang anghang kasi. So last night, di ba ang kinain ko shrimp na may basil na sobrang anghang nun. Tapos kanina yung breakfast namin is din siya, maanghang din siya, khao-soi. Yung iba na try namin na khao-soi, hindi masyadong maanghang, pero yung sa lalana, medyo maanghang siya ng bongga. Tapos breakfast pa yun, di ba? So medyo nausog ang aking siyan. Hindi na ako magpapalit. Ito na yung damit natin kasi magna-night market lang naman kami. Ay, okay. What I'm looking for, my wallet. Is everything ready? What you're putting on your face, love? Supposed to be only on your, diba? Damit, clothes.
well, it's aftershave.
Oh, aftershave. Okay. I thought it's sa pabango nilalagay niya saan. Kasi ako, iniiwasan ko maglagay ng pabango sa skin ko ngayon. Kasi, lalo na dito, pag naglagay ako dito, tapos siya, yung bigla siyang kakate, kung matapang na matapang yung pabango. Meron akong pabango na nilalagay ko dito before. Tapos, matagal siya, yung parang nasunog siya, ang kati-kati dito ko. O, diba, napaka-sensitive, mapa-mukha, mapa-kilikili, mapa-dito. Sobrang sensitive. Di ko alam, di ko magets. Pero, I guess, kasi sabi nila, wag daw nilalagay yung yung pabango sa skin. Nung nakita ko yun, binago ko na, nilalagay ko na lang siya dito sa may. I don't know. You're the one who has it.
Oh my goodness.
Nilalagay ko na lang siya sa damit.
Stolen.
Sometimes sa buhok ko din, pero yung dito sa may hindi na. Hindi ko na nilalagyan kasi better safe than sorry.
Oh my
Here's the key, oh.
God. That is okay.
Yeah.
Phew.
Okay, let's
Someone
go.
stole it.
We're ready.
Let's go.
Pero let's bagets. Gala time. Ang lawak-lawak ng na to, mga kalabs, ng resort na to. Hindi ko alam kung ang dami bang guess. Kasi grabe ang lawak. Tignan nyo tong na to, Acacia ang pangalan nitong puno na to eh. Acacia. May swimming pool, hindi kami magsiswimming, I think. Mga bata doon, oh. Puno kaya itong na to, resort na to. Wow, ganda-gandang maglakad-lakad dito, exercise. Tingnan nyo, doon tayo galing kanina, oh. Doon ang reception nila. Sa lawak nito, grabe. Kita nyo ba yan? Diba? Lawak. Alam nyo mga kalalabs, parang may nakain akong hindi maganda kagabi at saka kanina umaga. Kasi medyo, hindi siya acid, parang siyang bloated na something. Tapos nagising ako ng mga around, I think 12:30 kagabi. Tapos ako punta ng CR. Nagka-cramps yung tiyan ko, like grabing cramps. May kinain ako kagabi na shrimp na may basil at sobrang anghang nun. Tapos yung breakfast kanina, sobrang anghang din kasi khao-soi yun. Sobrang anghang. So I think natitrigger yung tiyan ko sa sa spicy na mga pagkain. So try natin makahanap ng hindi spicy. Sana. Good luck. Nasa Thailand tayo. Ganda ng mga payong, oh. Colorful. Akala ko maglalakad kami. Malayo pala yung night market. Uber or Grab. Nandito na kami sa night market, mga kalalabs. Si Nicole naghahanap ng kanyang koko. Koko.
Oh, look at
Look at those sushi, love. Sushi.
No.
Oh, I like that sausage though. That one tastes
This
good.
one looks good.
I like that one. This one, I like this one. Looks good. Ay, gusto ko to. Ayan. Bango, ang bango niyan. Mas mabuti pa dito sa sa Chiang Rai. Night market na night market talaga. Sa Chiang Mai, wala tayong nakitang magandang night market. Yeah, sure, you can find your phone keys. But I need a medicine first. Can we find our medicine first?
Yeah, we have to 7-Eleven. See
Oh,
that?
let's find it. Just stay here, okay?
You stay here. We're gonna get 7-Eleven.
There's only
medicine.
7-Eleven. Oh.
Don't worry. I don't have money.
Yeah, just find something else. Find it, and we will come. Yeah, that's good.
Or we'll be back here.
7-Eleven muna kami, mga kalals. Bili ako ng Ang sakit ng ko, tiyan ko. Alam niyo ang gusto ko sa sa 7-Eleven dito sa Thailand. Ang daming mga random stuff. Like, example, yung mga ganito. Yung mini-mini ba? Yung sachet, travel size. Ayan siya, oh. May lip tint na ganito lang. Diba? Ang galing lang. O, diba? Travel size. SPF. Oh, mura pa siya. Ang galing.
Look, they have shomai.
See, look at that.
That's
Mango. Is mango there?
Yeah. Bili daw si Nicole ng sausage. Which one you like? Okay, can we ask? Let's buy. Let's try. Which one you want, love?
Which one?
Can I have this one? This one? Yeah, six, right? I don't know how much is the price.
Maybe
Okay, order lang kami mga kalalas.
Must
Can I have one, please? Okay, mga kalalabs, we spent $2 for for this. 80 pesos, apat na items. Kain po. Ang daming makakain dito. Wow, looks good. How about that one? What's that one? Ito gusto kong bilhin mga kalabs, oh. Kaso nga lang, pickles, mango, banana.
the garbage inside.
Yeah, okay. Waffle. Ano itong mga to? Ooh, looks good. Sleeping clothes,
I can't bring it to the thing.
Why?
Because my luggage
Jeans.
is already heavy. I would buy one of these,
perfume.
but you don't like them on.
Not 25 bucks.
Gusto ko to. Let's try. Which one is the sweet one? Sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet? Which one? Sweet a little bit. Which one? This one?
Whatever you think.
Oh, okay. There's a green onion there, oh. Okay, let's try that. They don't have that anymore, Nicole. Hindi siya makahanap ng niya, phone case niya. Kanina pa. Can I try that one? We
What I
bought
don't
this one too,
understand is
mga
I had a
kalabs.
perfectly good Samsung that's huge,
Yummy.
state of the art. But instead you want a tiny iPhone.
Food trip na naman to, oh. Okay, you can grab, ask them.
wait, no.
6 baht.
Whoa, only
oh,
6
this
bucks.
one.
That's a good deal.
Good.
Yeah.
Kain ulit.
Look at this one, Mark.
Oh, yeah.
Sunlight.
Sunset. You don't want that? I thought you want it. It looks good.
Takoyaki, salmon yaki.
Si Nicole, napili. Oh, this one is good too. Love, come here. Is this a soup? Come here. Is this soup? Soup or no? Not a soup, right?
Don't
Okay.
ask questions.
I'm asking question because what?
Everything you can imagine.
Oh
in this
yeah,
market.
mashed potatoes.
It's amazing.
Nicole, oh, mashed potatoes.
No, I like your.
You want that one?
Can we mix them?
Or maybe you can have, this
Try the
one's good
pomelo?
too.
Let's
Try the pomelo. Try the pomelo, maybe it's better. Oh, ito yung mga mangga, oh, mga kalalas na masarap. You want? Okay, you can order.
I can?
50, yeah, 50 baht. Is it 50 baht? 50 baht? Yeah, 50 baht.
I only have 1 baht.
50 baht. I'll get this. Try natin to.
Can I mix or no?
Meat.
Or no?
Mix 40 or 50.
Mix is 50? You know what?
Hindi ko alam kay Papa
Like, way
Dave.
too much.
That's a lot.
It's like,
For
oh, it's
40
20
baht.
cents.
For 40 baht, yeah?
Okay, let's get it. It's only 10 baht. Mama has so many.
I have coins.
10 baht
Ang
for
dami
cookies?
nung binili ni Papa Dave na ano. Oh my God, that's a lot, love.
Brownie.
That's a lot.
Hmm.
But anyway, kainin natin yun. Yung ano, mix siya ng mangga na may fish salt, ay fish shrimp or something like that. Si Nicole naman, cookies ang tinitignan. 10 baht lang siya, oh. How about the brownie, Nicole? Look at the brownie. And then, cookies, this one's good. Yeah? Okay, that's great. Nag-i-enjoy yung dalawa sa pagkain. How is it, love? Love, how is it? It's good? No, just a small piece. I don't like a lot. Kami piece.
Okay lang.
Wow, this is our dinner, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, so I can get anything.
Yeah, you can get anything you want. It's affordable.
We're moving here.
It's good.
Wait.
Oh, this is Nicole's favorite. Ukay-ukay? Okay. Ngayon daw siya ng ukay-ukay. Wow. Tapos na sila sa pagkain yata tong dalawa. Ngayon naman sa ano, sa damitan naman.
Oh, I'm still gonna eat.
You're still gonna eat? Okay.
This is a really good cookie. It's not sweet.
What is this one? Mushroom? What? Oh.
For your
As for
like,
ube.
where we put down her, what's it called?
Meow
Her
meow.
food on top of it, right?
Yeah, true.
It's only 39 baht.
I know. It's really like a good price, eh? Food is good. The price is good.
Wake up.
Yeah. Okay-okay.
What is this for?
Ba't yan, oh, okay-okay? Food pa more. Barbecue. Kapungkap. Thank you. Meron din silang ganito, oh. Laman loob.
Actually, harder.
Wow. Okay. There? You want this? No, I was gonna be there. We have our food, mga kalalabs.
To walk away. Hello. Hello.
Let's go to the park.
Take your
Punta kami sa park, tapos doon namin kainin tong mga to. Kakanin naman tayo.
Say yes.
Yeah.
Ask for it.
Can we have? How much? I have a change here. Let's get. How many, Nicole?
2.
Four. Four.
There's 3 people though. Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
it's
2
fine.
people.
I want to try.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. That's good. Yay! We found our spot, mga kalalabs. Oh my God, this is amazing. It's like lively. We're so lucky to be here, like Saturday. Yeah, right? Wow. Anyway, kain tayo, mga kalalabs. Bumili ako ng rice. Want some? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung lasa loob nito, pero may pork yata. Your bird, love. What's this? Where's the plastic gloves that I can put this one for the garbage? That's our garbage. Yum, yum. Okay. Not bad. It's rice.
What type?
Huh?
What type?
With pork. Pork fried rice.
Pork burger. This is fun. You want more, Nicole? Like, you want something else?
Yeah, mama. Yeah.
Where's our water, lab? You have our water. Where's the bottle water? Just one? Should we eat it now?
Try some. Maybe not all of it.
Wow, I can't open this. How much is this lamb? It's 40 baht. Nicole, try this
You're
one's
so
really
honest
good.
too, eh?
Yeah. You don't want? Why? It tastes really good. Papa did like it. You will like it too.
Not as bad as it looks.
Yeah. Mmm. Oh my god, that's so good. But I like it. Oh my god, this is really good. This is so good. This is nice. Wow. Mmm.
It's actually really.
First time kong i-try tong steak fruit. Snake fruit? Yeah, try natin. Bumili lang kami ng 2 piraso. Oh, wow.
Way better than you.
It's good. Yeah. Na-try nyo na ba to mga kalalabs?
Super sweet, right?
Yeah, snake fruit. It's sweet and sour. Oh, those birds. Yum.
It's my dream.
Walking na lang kami dito sa market mga kalalabs. Busog na kami. Ngayon, shopping time si Nicole. Bumibili siya ng mga anik-anik para sa car niya. Ay, para sa car niya. Para sa bag niya. Ewan ko kung ano yung mga pinagbibili. Tignan niyo tong shop na to mga kalalabs, oh. Made for all from Uniqlo. Wow! Oh, parang ang ganda nito, ah. T-shirt. Ay, tingin tayo dito. Uniqlo siya, eh. Uniqlo, oh, yung mga sign. Wow, okay, we found our shop. Tingin lang tayo.
Gedanken über so Sachen.
Baka may mabili ako.
Von denen ich manchmal noch nie
Did you find something you like?
I
No?
think it is because Nico doesn't sell this kind of stuff.
I don't know. Maybe they have some stuff that Uniqlo, but then some stuff is not. So maybe it's weird. Okay, babe.
No.
Dito na kami sa hotel, mga kalabs. Actually, kanina pa, nakapag-shower na nga ako. Sobrang na-enjoy namin yung night market dito sa Chiang Rai. Actually, ang in-expect namin na malaking night market is sa Chiang Mai. Kasi mas malaki siya kaysa sa Chiang Rai. But dahil nga, may weekend talaga yata yung night market din sa Chiang Mai. Hindi namin siya na-experience talaga. Na-experience namin siya pero hindi kami yung parang napawaw doon sa bazaar or night market sa Chiang Mai. Dito kami napawaw talaga. Kasi ang daming masarap na pagkain, ang daming mong makikita na pwedeng bilhin. Pero wala kami nabili ni Nicole. Ang nabili ni Nicole is yung isasabit niya sa bag niya. Tapos bumili din siya ng, ano ba yung nabili mo, be? Yun lang, no? Or on pagkain. And then, bumili ako ng scarf kasi bukas magti-temple kami mga kaya. Sumunta kami ng White Temple, Blue Temple, Black Temple, Wood Temple, anong temple. Ang daming temple. Pero mga kalalabs, yung mga temples dito is malayo siya dito sa mismong resort namin. So, resort namin, inangkin ng resort, be. I mean, dito sa hotel, sa accommodation natin is malayo yung mga temples na pupuntahan natin. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano oras kami aalis ng hotel bukas. Sabi ni Papa de much better daw na maaga para hindi masyadong crowded. Kasi yung mga temples na yon, yun talaga yung mga tourist spot, yun talaga yung pinupuntahan ng mga turista, pupunta sila dito. So, I think ang uunahin namin is yung White Temple. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano. Bahala na. Pero I think ang mas malayo is yung White Temple. Sino na sa inyo ang nakapunta ng White Temple? Comment down below. If ever na nakapag-travel na kayo ng Chiang Rai. Kasi maganda siya sa mga napapanood na may mga videos. Sobrang unique ng pagkakagawa nun. Gusto ko siyang makita talaga in person. Kasi kakaiba siya na temple. Kasi nakapunta kami ni Papa Dib dito nung first na dinala niya ako dito sa Thailand. That is like 17 years ago, something like that. I believe. 17 or more. Kasi yun yung time na, nagta-travel kami ni Papa Dave. na dapat matapos yung yung requirements ng aming common law partner nung i-sponsor niya na ako papuntang Canada. So, kailangan namin mag-travel ng 3 months yata yung para matapos yung 12 months. Kaya nakapag-travel na kami ng Malaysia, Singapore, that time, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam. Basta tinapos namin yung 3 months. Pero in a budget, yun mga kalabs, kwento ko lang, no? Budget, talaga, friendly. Like, yung mga bilihin noon is mas mura pa noon. Kung mura ngayon, mas mura pa siya noon. 17 years or 18 years. Hindi ko na maalala kung ilang years na, pero matagal na kasi. So, yung White Temple na yon hindi pa yon nagawa nung pumunta kami dito ni Papa Dave. So, how long is that? I don't remember. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko maalala. Ilang years na yung bago pa lang yun eh. I-search natin, no? Mag-search din tayo para ilang years na yung White Temple dito sa White Temple Chiang Rai. Ilang years na? How many years? Search natin. Oh, ano daw? Not interested. Ito naman si AI. Ano ba itong mga AI na to at 1997. Oh, okay. Hindi pa rin siya tapos. Expected to continue until approximately 2070. Started 1997. So, meron na siya, pero hindi namin siya napuntahan or hindi pa siya fully na tapos-tapos or something like that. Kasi sabi ni Papa Dave, they just like built that one. It's new. Pero 1997 nila inumpisahan. So, construction of White Temple, Wat Rong Khon in Chiang Rai began in 1997 and its ongoing project expected to continue until approximately 2070. Oh my God. So, matagal pa siyang, ilang years pa siya hanggang sa ma-fully na matapos. Kakaiba siya mga kalalas. But, anyway, yun na yun. 'Di ba? Let's see kung ano ma-expect natin tomorrow. But anyway, we are going to enjoy our night na, mga kalalas. We have this sparkling wine. Galing pa to sa the Inside House Hotel sa Chiang Mai. Dinala namin dito sa Chiang Rai. Supposed to be, ininom na namin to kagabi kasi we are celebrating 10 years wedding anniversary ni Papa Dib, di ba? Pero hindi namin siya nainom. Parang nabusog kami sa dinner at saka sa cake. Kaya ayun. Ito na lang. Ngayon namin siya iinumin. But, yes. Cheers, mga kalalabs. Good night. See you tomorrow. Love you all. Thank you for watching. Sawadikap. Kapungkap. Sawadikap. Kapungkap. Oh, di ba? Sawadika is sawadika. Hello. Kapungka. Thank you. Good night. What's good night? Ma. Good night na. Bye. Love you all.